Hi, and welcome. During this brief video, I will take you through the process of adding in the recommended campaign concept of the week, or, for that matter, any template from our growing library. It all starts here in Campaign Manager. Log in and head over to the Interview dropdown. Select Create to begin and enter the name of the interview you are developing. You will then select the channels that you want the interview to appear in. Finally, click on the magnifying glass next to Templates. Here is where you will put in the keyword for the template you would like to use. As you type, you will see a drop-down appear with any templates that contain the keyword you entered. Once you see the one you want, simply click it and select Create. Your template will populate in Campaign Manager, and you can now make changes as needed and validate it prior to adding it to the campaign. To build your target audience for the campaign, simply select the Audience dropdown and choose Create. Similar to building the interview, you will enter in a name for your audience. Use one or more of the attributes linked to the data your financial institution provides, or take advantage of Micronotes' machine learning capabilities and use the propensity scores available to you. Once your audience is built, you can add it to the campaign along with the corresponding interview.